This is an interactive and dynamic dashboard which I created using Microsoft Excel. The dataset I used in making this dashboard is from an online retail store, and as you can see, the sliders are split into days of the week and different quarters. Across the left hand side, you can see the different icons, and then that is representing the online source of the dataset, and then this showing on the screen is serving as a presentation to whomever will be watching. And then also the dataset is coming from online source representing the database, and those are the products which actually represents what the customers bought. And then when we come to this side, we'll find the top 5 best-selling products, which has $236,333, which is representing 7.7% of the entire revenue. The top 5 worst selling products generated $6 only, which represents 0.002% of the entire revenue within the period. Top 5 customers generated $741,647, which is actually representing 24.2% of the entire revenue. And then the least 5 customers generated $10, which represents 0.0003% of the entire revenue. Now we come to this place, we'll find the revenue per season. We can see that the spring season actually had the highest revenue, followed by the winter, followed by the summer, and the autumn being the last. Then the total revenue over time. So I splitted the data into years and into the different days, so as to enable me see the different days and how it aligns with the different years. So you can see there are 3 top lines showing. Now these 3 top lines represent the 3 top days that enough revenue was generated by the company. So we can see 13th of January being the first, and then also you can see 28th of November, and then also you can see 18th of June in the second part. So I went on to show the revenue per country, and then you can see the color gradient, red and yellow, and you can see many countries are actually on the yellow side of the color gradient, which is actually having less value than the red part. Then we come to the sales and revenue growth rate. In the sales and revenue growth rate, you find that across different months of the year, you find the sales which is represented, the negative sales is represented using the green bar, the negative revenue is represented using the blue bar, then the positive revenue is represented using the brown bar, and then the positive sales is represented using the light blue bar. So you can see that from September to December, we are all positive returns for the company, while from February to August, it was negative return for the company. Now we'll come to the customer retention rate. The top 5 customers which actually patronized the company very much in terms of, one, the frequency of their purchases. So you can see them there. The first being the customer ID with that value, and then representing 85.15% of customer retention rate. Then we come to the revenue forecast. So this shows the different possible revenues that the company can be able to generate. So that is the upper band and that is the lower band. Come to the monthly sales. Across different months, we can see the way the sales actually move. So the highest being in the month of November and the lowest being in the month of February. So these are all the data sets. When we use the slicer, we select Sunday, give us the report for Sunday. Select Monday to give us the report for Monday. We select Tuesday to give us the report for Tuesday. Select Wednesday to give us the report for Wednesday. We select Thursday to give us the report for Thursday. And then we do the same for Friday. You can see how interactive it is. I will clear it. I want to check the reports for quarter one, same thing for quarter two, then quarter three also. Then you can also see for quarter four. I'll come to quarter one and I want to see the Mondays in quarter one. I also want to see the Tuesdays in quarter one. I also want to see the Wednesdays in the first quarter. Then I clear it. Okay, so if you want to build such dynamic and interactive dashboard, you can send me a DM.